Hey there, sister friends, it's Sister Tesha here, and welcome back to our channel, the Smart Money Sisters. I'm thrilled to have you here, and here on this channel, we talk about how to make, manage, and multiply your money so that you can get your financial game point on. And today I'm going to be sharing with you a topic that so many of you have been asking about, and it's how to make money with affiliate programs. Now, this applies to you whether you're a business owner with products or courses that you are selling, or whether or not you're someone who is looking to leverage those products to generate a passive income. Listen, affiliate programs can be a game changer for you, so stick around for more. All right, so let's go ahead and break this down. Listen, as a business owner, having an affiliate program means that you are partnering with others to help you to sell your products and your courses. You are essentially building a team that is motivated to promote what you are offering. And in return, they get a commission. So for every sale that's made through their unique referral link, that is what is called cookied to them for a certain amount of days or a time frame, then they will receive a commission from that sale. Now, if you are on the other side of the coin there, the end user or the affiliate, these programs can be a fantastic source of passive income for you. You can recommend the products and the courses that you use, that you genuinely love, and in the process, you earn money. So it creates a win-win situation for everyone. Sister friends, if you've been following this mission for any length of time, you know that I stress on the importance of multiple streams of income. And affiliate marketing can be one of those streams for you. Plus, it helps that you can promote these products and courses to your audience and add value to their lives while getting a share of the profits. So you might be thinking, well, where do I start? Listen, for you business owners, most course platforms have an affiliate side where you can build and then manage your affiliates and the offers that you allow them to promote or to sell for you. So you'll need to check those course platforms and those product platforms that you're on to see if they have an affiliate. And you may want to investigate, if they don't, finding ones that do. Listen, if you have a WordPress site, there's a plugin for that. Okay. You know how back in the day, they used to say there's an app for that. Well, WordPress, there's a plug for that. So there are plugins that are going to help you to create and manage your affiliate programs. Listen, I think it's very important that as Christian ministries and business owners, that we stop expecting people to just give money and give and do and things for free. They're just going to refer to you because you are the greatest. You may be the greatest. Doubting that you are the greatest in what God has given you to do. But there are tools that we have to start using that are out there to help you to build and share your message that God has given you and the products and the services that He has blessed you to be able to produce. And a lot of times people won't need to create a course. You don't need to create a course on dreams if you can have a Christian ministry that has a course with an affiliate link on dreams. And then they can refer, they can promote, and then they receive a commission from their referral links, right? And essentially, your affiliates become your partner, okay? So here's the thing. You not only get the person who bought your product or service, but you also get them in your pipeline. And now they are connected to you, so you receive the benefit of their connection with you, right? Now they're on your list. Now they're in your sphere of influence, okay? So the benefits for a business far outweighs the administrative work that you will need to do. There's administrative work, yes, but the benefits of it far outweigh it. And I may do a topic just for ministry and business owners, especially Christian ministries, because I do not see affiliate links, and there should be affiliate links. Anyway, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. Now, for individuals who want to sell other people's stuff, the one thing to keep in mind is that when it comes to affiliate marketing, authenticity is crucial. Your audience, the one that you're creating, the one that's going to purchase the products, they value your opinion. They trust your recommendations. If you're seen to be promoting a product or a course just because you're going to earn a commission, you're going to risk damaging the trust that you have within your community. So always make sure to present products or courses that align with your own values, that align with your brand, that align with what your audience needs. And that is a good product. Don't just be promoting junk. I promise you, don't do that. And that is the second point. Provide real value. Don't just drop an affiliate link and hope for the best. Instead, create an engaging and informative content around that affiliate offer. Okay. Create maybe even some how-to guides. If I show you how to use I'll give you I use MailerLite for my list building. And if I have an affiliate link for MailerLite. And so if I am going to drop my affiliate link, I am also going to do a course on MailerLite or something on MailerLite. And to show you how to use it, I can show you how to use it. So there's some ideas right there. How-to guys, success stories are always great ways to provide value while promoting your affiliate link. So success stories on these products or these courses that we have, especially as Christians, we have courses that we have done. What are the value that other people have gotten from the courses? Well, a lot of that is already done for you through the person who has generated the course. So it's not like you have to go out and do something new. But lastly, don't forget to disclose your affiliate relationships. It is not only a good practice, but it's also a legal requirement in many places, that you are transparent with your audience, that it shows them that you're honest and you're and then that in turn allows them to be more willing to support you. Okay. So you do need to disclose your affiliate relationships. I will put in the comments a sample verbiage of what you can use to disclose your affiliate relationships. I should have one on my YouTube channel. Anyway, so you want to have disclosures that show, hey, the links you click on in my post or on my channel, they may be affiliate links, and that means that I get a commission. And it's just that simple. Okay. So just remember that you have to, disclose that they are affiliate links. So here's the thing, sisters. Remember that marketing can be an exciting journey, but just like any other business endeavor, it does require time, it requires effort, and it requires strategic planning. But don't worry, my sister friends, we are here to help you every step of the way. So we're going to be bringing you more content about affiliate marketing for the business and for the individual. Until we meet again, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.